Hey guys, Zach here again. Still working on this rock track, so let's jump back in and finish up this mix. Okay. I like to get the vocal right at the top so you can kind of see where you're at. And then the wax man melts at your feet. I like to get these nice and wide so I can see where I'm at. Okay. And we'll start. The wax man melts at your feet. Melts at your feet. Melt. The wax man melts at your feet. The mask I wear, the mask I wear, you'll burn up. You'll away. The mask I wear, you'll burn away. I try to hide from your presence, but now I see you with unveiled face. You know my frame, but you love me all. But you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. Called me anyway. This is just the tedious part of mixing. The wax man melts at your feet. At your feet. These rags I wear, you'll strip away. Strip away. Well,
love me, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the. But you love me all. Me. But you love me all the same. All the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. But you've seen my shame. Shame. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my friend, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. Called me anyway. But you called me anyway. But you called me anyway. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. But you called me anyway.
There we go.
You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've
Might see if a little pitch drift will fix this one.
same,
Oh, all right.
but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You've seen my shame, but you called. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You are the one true God. You are the one true God who God. You are the one true God whom I anyway. You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of
A little lip smack right there that I missed earlier.
I will kneel before.
What?
For
It's because Melodyne. I should have edited that before Melodyne, but Melodyne continues. Just FYI, Melodyne continues to play audio even if you chop it, unless you disable the plugin. So I have to do this way.
kneel before King.
See?
Before
Fun facts.
King of Kings, the heart of hearts. King of Kings, the heart of hearts, you alone will I adore. You are the one true God whom I will kneel before. King of Kings, the heart of hearts, you alone. King.
No.
You are here. Oh, will I adore? You are here. You are king. You know my frame.
For some reason this gets way crazy loud. So gonna drop this a few dB.
You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway.
So there's B, A, G, F sharp, E. So what I'm going to do for the backup vocal is, since it's, the level is not as hot in the mix, I'm just going to put just the auto pitch correction on there, because that will do the job just fine. So B, A, G, F sharp, E.
You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway. You know my frame, but you love me all the same. You've seen my shame, but you called me anyway.
Alright, guys. I think that's it for this one. I'm going to go A-B it to some commercially known music, which means I can't put it on here, but I use the A-B plugin from... Where is it from? From Plugin Alliance. So I use... What's it? Oh, it's called the adapter. And this is what I use to A-B mixes. Makes it super easy. Just load in your file and flip back and forth. And so that's what I'm going to go do. And we are done with this one. I will see you guys in the next mix.